In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up YouTube app and then you can find a video that you want to share, and then right here next to video title you can hit at three dots icon and then hit on share. It gives you that share options. Also you can do the same thing from video page, so you can open up a video and then right here you can easily find the share icon. You can hit right there to bring up the same options. And now from here you can find WhatsApp. If you can see it right here, you can drag this toolbar to the left a little until you find the WhatsApp icon. Now you can just tap on that and it asks if I want to open WhatsApp. I'll hit at open. It moves me to WhatsApp, where at that recent chats I can select some people whom I want to send that YouTube link. I can just check mark those persons. I can check mark their multiple persons, as you can see, and also there I can use search box to search for some specific persons, and then I can check mark them in that way. After that, I can hit right here at next, and here I can edit that message a little. There is just a YouTube video link right now. I can hit there, then hit on enter, and now I can type in any text that I want, and then I can hit on send to send that message to the recipients. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.